back to my channel. So I'm so excited to show you guys this video because I'm working with Make.com in their MAKEOVER series and I am designing my happy place. So the first thing I did was had a video call with them and we discussed my style. We kind of went through the things I like, what I don't like, and I took a quiz on their platform. And you can sort of figure out what your style is based on liking a series of pictures. And what the actual system does is it kind of narrows it down to what your vibe is. So in case you don't know what your style is, but you know what you like, that's a good way to figure that out. So the reason why I chose this room is it's because it's where the magic happens. It's where I create all my content. It's where I chill. One side of the room is more for admin work, for making sure I complete my tasks, making sure I'm just up to date with certain things. Because I am my own boss, I do have to make sure I'm on top of things. There's no one really telling me and informing me to do these things. If I'm not doing it throughout the day while I'm being a mom and chasing after my baby, I'm most likely doing all my admin work at my office desk. So we are transforming our office working space into a working lounge. So by this room having two different personalities, it was very easy for me to style the products that I have. So the sofa, I knew I wanted it on the relaxed side of this room.
Could we actually have to pivot? Yeah? Yeah. And then we push it there?
Yeah, I'm gonna shift it. So the first thing that I love that kind of just screams out at you when you enter the room is this Scott Chase sofa. It's so beautiful. It's called the Grass Cotton Velvet Chase sofa and it's in the Scott. It's so beautiful. I've actually had my eye on this green sofa for almost a year now. And I don't know, I just haven't had the courage to buy it, and I'm really happy that I have this in my office because it's a pop of color, it's an earthy tone that I love, and I'll never get sick of it. Like, it's just a vintagey, beautiful piece that just screams out at you as soon as you enter the room, and it's just so stunning. So this has to be my favorite product in this room, my favorite piece in this room. All my writing and my desk and my tools are on the left side. I also have a whiteboard, like everything that I need to kind of brainstorm and create, it's on the other side of the room. So what I like that has really helped me get my planning books and papers and everything in order is my desk organizer. So yeah, my desk organizer adds some character to my desk because my desk is a beautiful wooden desk, and having this marble piece sitting on top of it is just so beautiful. The contrast is lovely. I love marble and I love wood. These two things together are literally all over my house. But yeah, this marble desk organizer is super cute. You got little slots for your pens. You have thin slots for your books or notepads or planners or whatever you want to put in there. So when you're done with your day and you just want to clear out your desk, you can easily just put your books in order and then kind of just everything's already sorted, which I love because one thing I don't enjoy is tidying up. You can't really see this, but you feel it. So your feet are just plush into this Moroccan Berber rug. It's called Ayla, and it's also by Made, and it's just so soft and fluffy. It's just so comfortable. I take off my slippers and the first thing my feet touch is the rug. I find that it adds a lot of like warmth and coziness to the room as well, making it a little less formal, more of a place where you can just be comfortable and just be yourself. So I love this rug. Decided to actually position my table towards the rest of the room. That way it's not just facing a wall, because I find that office desks that are just facing a wall are like uninspiring. I love how this table is like smack in the middle of the room. You get a view of the windows, you get a view of the natural light flowing in. So these are the 3 prints that I decided to
buy for the room, so it can kind of like pull the room together, bring all the furniture and earthy tones all together with the minimal vibe very much still apparent. I love these paintings. They're beautiful, they're feminine, they emulate Black culture. This one in particular is my absolute favorite. It's from Dorka Creates, and she creates the most beautiful, high quality prints. The quality is exceptional, like I was blown away. And I just love this one. It's a beautiful, feminine, strong Black woman with a beautiful afro. And I just love it. I just feel like it's just so stunning, and it pulls the room all together, and it's very much represents me and what I like and who I am. So being a Black woman as well. So also just purchasing from Black owned companies is very important.
Another thing I love about this room is how many plants there are and how it just adds so much life to the room. How did I even not mention this first? There are 2 cat sofas in this room. Yes, you heard me right, folks. 2 cat sofas. I have 2 cats, 2 ragdolls, and for some reason, this is their favorite room. So the second happy place I created is my guest room. Now, my guest room is a tiny room, but we made it work. We added a nice splash of khaki blue color on the wall, but we just kind of took it up halfway or 1/3 of the way up the wall. We added some brass accent pieces that helped it pop. We also put up a shelf and overall added some nice abstract art, and it just pulled the room all together. It was a mini makeover, but it made such a big difference, and I'm sure my home guests, family and friends, whoever stays over would absolutely love staying in that room. Like, that room is beautiful, beautiful. So when you come over, you definitely see that there's a vibe throughout the house, and the style is very consistent in every room, which I love because everything is sort of just pulled together beautifully, and it reflects me and what I love. So I hope you enjoyed this video. The May team was super, super lovely to work with. They helped design and create everything I love in this room and in my guest room, so thank you for that. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below. Also, let me know what your favorite pieces were, and if you have any other questions, I will link all of my made products down in the description box. But there are more room transformations to come, so stay tuned for that. Mwah! Love you guys. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye!